Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your commentator, Donald Kimmich, on Commentator DLC. All here back again with the latest updates in the all football sport of it now. So we're going to be dealing all the basic features that's going to be picking up tomorrow, talking about the UEFA Champions League and the various clubs in the whole of Europe who are contesting for this great competition. Talking about Chelsea in Europa League, Arsenal in the Europa League, Manchester United in Champions League, Juventus in Champions League, Real Madrid in Champions League, Napoli as well, Paris Saint-Germain, Tottenham Hotspur, Liverpool, Barcelona, PSV, Atletico Madrid, Lyon, and the rest of the Manchester City. So over to the match day 3, I'll take a second leg in group stage against the oppositional side. We're going to be seeing how Manchester United are going to be facing Valencia in the upcoming Champions League on Tuesday night. It's not going to be easy because Jose Mourinho's side has kept a very big defeat of the young birds with the help of Paul Pogba. Manchester United midfielder turning up something to make sure they did absolutely well in their first group stage opening match. As well as they're going to be facing the oppositional side who just fell to Juventus defeat 2-0. Talking about Valencia in the Spanish capital. I think they're going to be pairing the Red Devils a visit to the Old Trafford. All the Old Trafford side are going to be facing the Estadio Donatos in the Spain side. And over to Juventus, they're still to be facing young boys. I think this could have been Cristiano Ronaldo's opportunity to badge quite numbers of goals on this group stage matches. He hasn't scored anything yet for this, and he has been doing absolutely well ever since he held the Juventus. I think assisting in all angles in all Juventus matches. He's played very good Pacific games and make sure everything just work absolutely. So over to Manchester City, they fell into the hands of Lyon in their first group stage match in Champions League for this season. I think it wasn't enough to put a smile on the Pep Guardiola's face, talking about the manager of Manchester City. And also over to Barcelona, Lionel Messi is also keep on badging numbers of goals in Champions League as they still to face the English Premier League giant club Tottenham Hotspur on their group stage match. I think it's obviously that Tottenham Hotspur working very hard to make sure they climb up the top to retain their position when it comes to the English Premier League football. You saw what they did in the weekend matches, playing absolutely well, retaining some quality players, and knew that they were going to be first in their Catalonian side of the Spanish club as well out there as well, one of the biggest club in Europe. I think now Barcelona returning some players will the last derby match against Atletico Bilbao, which turned up to be a draw, a 1-1 on Saturday, and I thought they did absolutely well. So we're just giving you the updates now, and when we get back, we'll give you all the sports angle. I'm your commentator, Donald Kimmich, on Commentary DLC. Stay with us, we'll then a short break.